Break number 3, my lord.
And get started. So what we have here today is a release bearing for the clutch, right? So after some research, it looks like it's best to replace these, especially if you have the engine out, if it's been greater than a year. So I think it's been about 4 years, 5 years since we last swapped one of these out. So I figured we might as well do it. So I haven't determined how I'm going to do this because I don't know if I should get in the engine bay and then get in there and clean it, or if I should just reach and struggle like I normally do. And I can't open this to show you what it is. Oh, there it is. So here we go. Throwout bearing, release bearing, whatever you want to call it. Oh. There we go. Try this open. Oh man, nice and pretty. Okay, so this is a new one, right? This is gonna sit, the clutch fork goes like this. And this is what like pushes in and out there. So yeah, it looks pretty cool actually. So here's the new one. I'm gonna compare it to the old one, which is right here. As you can see, the old one has seen some better days, and here's the brand new one. We're gonna lube it up and grease it on the inside here. We're gonna make sure nobody gets too excited, and then go and clean the pipe in there, and then just insert the hole into the pipe, and you know what I mean. So yeah, let me figure out how I'm gonna get situated, and then we're gonna be back over here inside the engine bay to actually put it in. So let's get situated over here. So that bearing is gonna go right here. So before I actually put it on, I'm gonna clean all these parts. I don't know if you remember, if anybody's been following along, but a few years back, this piece broke here. So I want to do everything in my power to not break that piece again, because it was the biggest pain in the ass to replace. There's no videos except for mine on YouTube. So I'm gonna clean up the shaft here. I'm gonna clean up all this stuff and then re-grease it, and then put it in. Yeah, so here we go. Let me just try not to
God damn.
Get too excited here, because this is something that could be viewed as inappropriate. So just
Close your eyes.
Yeah, close your eyes. We're gonna lube some of this. Which should we use? Automotive multi-vehicle superior performance, high temp Mystic.
Oh yeah.
Mystic.
KY Jelly Mystic.
KY Jelly. Okay, here we go. You ready? Oh man.
Smell like cherries?
Oh shit.
No. Let me see.
Yeah. All right. So I'm gonna put some of the.
Even the flies are running.
Yeah. Hey, there we go. Where's the flies at? All right. So we're gonna put some KY jelly here, some here, and some inside, or somewhere around the shaft, and then we'll put the pin in. I haven't cleaned it yet, so we'll put that in afterwards. Oh my god. All right.
Cherries.
Let's see how we're gonna do this.
Ooh, slow down. Slow down, baby.
I was just watching that movie the other day, by the way.
Rush Hour 2.
I was just watching that. It's kinda funny.
Can I make it up?
Yeah, it's a great movie, by the way. Okay, so.
That's funny.
Yep.
Only here in the garage.
Yeah.
Let me zoom in.
What do you think?
Oh yeah.
Overly greased up, so I'm gonna grease up this shaft here. Try not to get too excited there. Okay, so now we're gonna put this in.
Yeah.
Okay, you ready? So I'm gonna put some in here. Okay. I'm gonna set the fork. Oh, there goes my grease.
Shit. What was that?
My grease. Okay, there we go. The last piece here is gonna need to be is where we put the pin in, which I haven't cleaned yet. So this is the pin that we're gonna use. What we've been using. Yeah, it's a little dirty too. We kind of greased the crap out of this one.
Brand new.
Good as new. Okay. So we're gonna grease this one, but I'm gonna put a glove on this one because this one's gonna have to be
What?
Extra.
Raphael.
Yeah. Don't want to catch anything, All right, so we're gonna lube this one up here.
Good.
Yeah. You sure?
She's ready.
All right, let me see. There's a little pin here. So it's gonna have to go in like this where the pin locks in place. I think that's where we made a mistake the last time when we broke it. Just so you know, if you insert this incorrectly,
Okay.
it costs you a lot of money.
Show us how incorrectly it is.
So, yeah. So you wanna.
Is there an incorrect way?
Yeah. So let's say if you put it in like this, it's not gonna meet. It's not gonna meet that pin. You need it to basically meet the pin there. Okay. What happened the last time is we put it like this, and I guess the casing was already pretty brittle, and it just completely snapped off. And if you're not willing to take on that project yourself, I think the estimates that I got were between $3,000 and $4,000, or get a donor transmission, which still is going to cost you several $1,000s. We were able to do it for about $450. Still kind of sketch because we had never done it before. Had to download the manual and read all of that. So, again, this is the part that's kind of like the most important, I think, especially if you've never done this before.
Okay, what do you do?
There we go. Actually, I think I got.
Okay.
There we go. You can see it's already sticking out over here at the end. So that means it's fully engaged.
Oh, with the little cotter pin, set pin?
Yeah.
Okay.
So the only thing I gotta do is I use a little screw to kind of help take it out the first time. It's the same screw that's for like an intake manifold or a TGV. So I'll show you in a little bit. Here's a little bolt that was used to kind of help insert it in. The last piece I have is this bolt, this like cover bolt here. This is not the right one. I think I used this from a drain plug or something. As you can tell, why it has a bunch of metal there, but it was easier for me to get a socket on here as opposed to the OEM one. The OEM wants to have an Allen key, and it's such a pain in the ass to kind of get in there. So this happens to have the same thread pitch, and it worked out really well. So I'm just gonna clean this up and then throw it on there.
Do that again.
Buttery. Okay, so I'm gonna put a little bit of grease back over here where this button goes there, and then wrap her up. Like I said, this is not the correct one, but it's been working really well for me. So just because it's easier to put on and take off. And that's it. So that's about it for this install. I don't know if we already showed you this, but as you can tell, it's pretty buttery already. So it's kind of what we're looking to have there. The next part of our install series or video or build, whatever you want to call it, is to put the new clutch disc back in the engine block, and then from there put the engine block back in the engine bay, and then we can start installing the other goodies that we have. So there's a lot more videos to come. We're just kind of making a bunch of short videos for now, just to kind of buy me some time, because I do have a day job. Unless you want to help me out and subscribe to the channel, help me get to becoming monetized. We're super close as of right now. We need like 23 subscribers. So again, if you made it this far, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos to come. Thanks, until next time.